Thanks, thanks.
ये मिल जाएगा ना।
Right, start from right. Yeah, right. All of you right. Look center, man.
Yeah, right.
Yeah, right. All of you right.
Thank you.
All of you right. All of you right. Full time right.
Thank you.
श्रुति
और जिसका वो भाई जगह दे दो अभी हमको भाई जिसका वो हमको जगह दे दो वेट
Thank you.
वेट
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Takes almost 9 months from conceptualizing to actual creation, and it's very unique because it has only 2 stores, one in Bombay and one in Delhi. So there's a great emphasis on artistic design, there's a great emphasis on creativity. Zoya is proud right now today to present its summer collection, which is Zoya Masterpieces. And before going forward, I'd like to invite Jitendra Hiryani, who is the regional head for Zoya, to say a few words about our new collection.
Thank you, Pritika. So basically, first of all, I would like to thank the panel for being here, for introducing our new collection, Zoya Masterpieces, and thank Daphne also to collaborate with us.
एक पार्टनर मतलब थोड़ा कम काम करते हैं और वो भागीदारी बराबर की नहीं होती. तो मेरा ये मानना है कि it's not about being a man's world, it's not about being a woman's world. I feel it needs to be a partnership where both the man and the woman who are partners in life need to be able to contribute equally and more importantly step in to ease the other person's burden. So मान लीजिए मेरे हिस्से का काम है, बैंक का काम है और कुछ फाइनेंशियल पेपर्स का काम है. किसी कारण से अगर मैं नहीं कर पाती हूँ तो इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि वो काम सफल हो. My husband should have that sort of partnership attitude that he steps in and says, okay, you're struggling right now because you're busy with something. I'll help you. So I think it should be a partnership. It should not be about sort of trying to be on top or one-upmanship. In my opinion, it should be a partnership.
There is this village in Johar that I just set up a women's center. Okay. So there were 10 sewing machines we set up there for the women to start earning money when they were. Okay. And I heard something from a man there, which I don't think I have heard from any man in my entire life. It's the most intelligent thing I've ever heard any human say. So that we were inaugurating the center, and the man whose wife was one of the women who was going to be sewing. So I said, how do you feel? Your woman is going to start working. And you know what he said? He said, listen, I get all my power from my wife. So if she is empowered, imagine how much power extra I'm going to get.
Very nice.
Imagine that.
Good.
Yeah.
I think I'll go with what Will and Sapna both said. Of
course, with the fact that we would like a partnership and we would like the men to empower us. But I believe that we live extremely privileged lives. हमें बहुत ज़्यादा चीज़ें बहुत आसानी से मिल गई हैं. अगर हम actual इंडिया को देखें या बहुत सारी दुनिया में बहुत सारी जगहों को देखें, हमें बहुत सारी चीज़ें बहुत आसानी से मिल गई जो हम अपना हक समझ कर चलते हैं, जैसा कि होना चाहिए. लेकिन बहुत सारे ऐसे घर हैं जहाँ पर लड़कियों को ऐसा महसूस किया जाता है, जहाँ पर बोला जाता है हम तुम्हें पढ़ने तो दे रहे हैं, हम तुम्हें काम करने तो दे रहे हैं, जो आपके बेटे को आप हक से देते हैं वो आप अपनी बेटी को एक एहसान मानकर क्यों देते हैं? So I think that is what needs to change. That fathers need to treat their kids equally. Husbands need to understand that if they go to work and their wives go to work, the burden is the same. Don't think कि अरे तुम काम कर रही हो पर घर संभालना तो तुम्हारे काम है. No, it's both their jobs. If she is partnering up with him to say no, life is expensive and we should both bring home an income pool, then life at home is equally demanding and the husband must stand up and say, listen, you don't need to take care of everything alone. I'm here. And there's a very beautiful advertisement which has been playing recently about share the load. I don't know if you have seen it, but it's a beautiful ad in which it's from the father's point of view where he says कि तुम सब काम करती हो, कपड़े भी तुम ही धोती हो. And I wish I had stepped in and helped your mother, because then you would have understood that it's a two-person's job. But because your husband saw only his mama do it, he thinks that my wife should do it. Now because your daughter will see you do it, she will do it. And it's a self-perpetuating cycle. That needs to stop. That is what men need to do. That's where men need to step in. And even in the most liberated households, it has to be emphasized enough that my daughter and my son are the same in every